All right, everybody. Welcome to the First Avenue screencast. As promised, I have a quick video tutorial that shows you how to access all the tutorials that the kids need to go through by the end of this month. So here I have accessed the email that I sent to you, the welcome back email after the break. So you can just select the link from here from the email itself, or you can just go to parc.pearson.com and you have the tutorials underneath this pull down menu. Let me just go back to the email. It starts out with the Test Nav 8 tutorial. To access the Test Nav 8 tutorial, you're going to scroll down a little bit and here it is. This is probably the longest tutorial that you're going to have. It's up to the teachers for how you want to review this with the students, but I highly recommend that it's a combination of them doing this independently and you guiding them through certain components. So you'll have to go through each of these tutorials first, obviously, before you teach them, but look through it and come up with your own lesson plans that make sense for you. The next one is the online student tutorials. You scroll down just a little bit. We're going to skip over the print paper-based student tutorials. We'll move on to the online student tutorials. So if you select this, you have two different grade bands, the 3 to 5 and 6 to 8. I do want each homeroom teacher to go over both the ELA and the math component of this. So if you're a 4th grade teacher and you are reviewing the ELA assessments, you'll click on this. And again, it's up to you how you want to review this with the kids, but it should be a combination of both teacher-led and independent work. This just gives you sort of an idea of what you're going to be looking at, a couple of sample questions, and here are some instructions for how to use the resources. The next component is practice with the equation editor, and there's the equation editor tutorials. I actually recommend going through the equation editor tutorials first. Those can be found to the right of the screen here. This equation editor guide is a PDF that you could print out and review with the kids if you find it useful. I'm not making it mandatory, it's up to you. But here's the equation editor tutorials. Obviously pick the appropriate grade band and have the kids go through it, do all of the components. Then after that, they have the practice with equation editor here, which takes them through a few sample questions using the equation editor. So anyway, like I said, go through all these first. It will take about an hour, I think, for you to get through all the tutorials and really review it all. Plan out your lessons, and as always, let me know if you have any questions. Let me know how it goes.